Hello everyone, my name is Emolynn Pena. I am a gear up tutor at Bel Air Middle School, and in this video I will teach you how to solve system of equations through substitution. I was taught this method of solving equations when I was in 8th grade in Algebra 1, and I hope that I can really explain it to you and help you solve these equations. Make sure to follow each step and to pay attention because it can get confusing really easily. So let's get to it. Here we have two equations and we have to solve for x and y. So let's start using the first equation, which is the simplest one, which is x plus 3y equals 1. And now let's take away the y, so minus 3y, and what we do to one side we do to the other. So now our equation is going to say x equals negative 3y plus 1, and we're going to use this to plug it into the other equation to help us find y. So it'll be negative 3 parentheses negative 3y plus 1 minus 3y equals negative 15. And we will distribute, and remember, when you have two negatives it becomes a positive, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So now we have 9y minus 3 minus 3y equals negative 15. From here on, we have to combine like terms. So we are going to combine the 9 minus the 3, which is going to be 6y minus 3 equals negative 15. And now we are going to combine like terms again. So we'll add the 3 and we'll add it to the other side. And we end up with 6y equals to negative 12. Now we are going to divide each side by 6. And we end up with y equals to negative 2. So now that we know what y is, let's go ahead and plug that y number that we got into the first equation. So it'll be x plus 3 parentheses negative 2 equals 1, and we distribute. Now it's x minus 6 equals 1, and in order to cancel out, we'll add the 6 to both sides, and now we have x equals 7. Our coordinate points now would be 7 and negative 2. Here we have two equations again, and we will be using the first one again, which is 2x plus y equals 20. We are going to take away the x, so minus 2x, and what we do to one side we do to the other, which gives us y equals negative 2x plus 20. And we're going to use this to put into the other equation as y. So it'll be 6x minus 5y, which is now negative 2x plus 20 equals 12. And now we will distribute, and remember, the negative times a negative equals a positive. So it'll be 6x plus 10x minus 100 equals 12. And from here we combine like terms. So 6x plus 10x equals 16x minus 100 equals 12. And now we will get rid of the 100, so we add it to both sides, and we end up with 16x equals to 112. From here we just divide the 16 on both sides to isolate the x, and we get x equals to 7. And now we will use this to plug it into our first equation to find y. So our equation is now going to look as 2x, which is now 7, plus y equals 20, and we distribute the 2 to the 7, which turns to 14 plus y equals 20. And now we get rid of the 14, so we subtract it on both sides, and we end up with y equals 6. Now our coordinate points are going to be 7 and 6. Thank you all for watching this video. I really do hope that it was helpful and that I taught you how to solve system of equations through substitution.